Hello, my love. Welcome to today's guided affirmations. Today, we're rewiring our minds with powerful affirmations for self-love, self-esteem, and confidence. Affirmations are more than just words. They are seeds that, when planted with intention and repetition, begin to shape the way we think, feel, and show up in the world. By listening and repeating daily, you're creating new neural pathways in your brain, replacing old limiting beliefs with empowering truths. Listen to this audio every day for the next 30 days. I will say each affirmation, and you'll repeat after me, either out loud or silently in your heart. Let's begin. I accept myself exactly as I am. I am proud of who I am becoming. My worth is not defined by others. It is rooted in my truth. I radiate self-confidence and inner peace. I honor my feelings and trust my intuition. Every day, I grow stronger, wiser, and more grounded. I am more than enough, just as I am. I choose to love myself fully. Confidence flows through me with ease. I treat myself with kindness, respect, and compassion. I believe in my unique gifts and talents. My presence is powerful and meaningful. I am safe to be seen, heard, and celebrated. I forgive myself for past mistakes and choose growth. I am becoming the best version of myself. I release self-doubt and welcome self-trust. My self-esteem rises with every positive choice I make. I trust in my ability to handle anything that comes my way. I shine from the inside out. Loving myself is my natural state. I embrace my individuality with pride. I am grounded, calm, and centered in who I am. I attract love and respect by radiating it from within. I speak to myself with love and encouragement. I am constantly growing, evolving, and blooming. I value my voice, my journey, and my dreams. I walk in confidence and grace wherever I go. My inner light is bright, and I let it shine freely. I am the author of my self-worth, and I write it in love. I rise each day anchored in love for myself. I am a magnet for respect, honor, and genuine connection. I trust that I am always divinely guided and supported. I stand tall in my truth and speak with bold clarity. I am a reflection of strength, beauty, and resilience. Every cell in my body vibrates with confidence and love. I am aligned with the highest version of myself. I deserve to feel proud, empowered, and fully alive. My energy commands peace, presence, and power. My love, you have just spoken life into your mind, body, and soul. Every word you've repeated today is a seed planted in fertile ground, And with daily repetition, it will grow into unshakable confidence, radiant self-love, and unwavering self-worth. Carry this energy with you throughout your day. Remember, you are enough, you are worthy, you are powerful beyond measure. Thank you for joining me in this sacred space. Until next time, keep choosing you over and over again.